Hey there, Phoenixes, and welcome to another Free Create Fridays, brought to you by Redesign Your Life Forever, and me, your host, Daniela Langford. And today we are having a fabulous little tutorial. As you might be able to tell, I am kind of a little disheveled here. I'm about to go pop in a lovely, lovely bath and soak myself and do my hair and all of these things. But I wanted to come to you before I did that because I am going to show you how to make an super easy, super awesome lemon sugar scrub. And you can use this all over your body. Has every single ingredient in it you could actually eat. So actually good for you, as opposed to things that we buy in the store that you cannot read the ingredients. Something, something, something cyanide, or chloride. Anytime you see chloride in anything, by the way, that's a derivative of bleach, the kind of stuff that goes in your pool or cleans your clothes. So you don't want to be putting that on your body or in it. So just heads up, just a random thought. But yes, I wanted to come to you while I was kind of all hangity-pangity here because I'm going to run downstairs and I'm going to show you how to make the sugar scrub. And this is also in preparation for next week's video, where I'm going to be again continuing our beauty DIYs because I'm absolutely loving doing them and bringing them to you. But next week is going to be all about kinds of things that you can make with turmeric. Oh my God, can we talk about turmeric? It is absolutely fantastic. It's anti-inflammatory, anti-pain. It's so good for your skin. It brightens your skin. It does all kinds of amazing things. We could go on and on and on, but this is not the episode for turmeric. This is the episode for the lemon sugar scrub. So that we are going to need, if indeed, particularly for those of us ladies who have got super fair skin, the turmeric may actually dye our skin a little bit. As you know, that turmeric is very, very, very hot yellow or orange, depending on the kind that you get. And it can very easily dye things, as I'm sure you know. So sometimes what will happen is those of us who have, again, really fair skin, it might actually dye our skin. So what we use then is a lemon sugar scrub to scrub it out of scrub that first layer of skin off. So then that way the color comes off with it too, and we don't end up walking into work the next day like an Oompa Loompa. Oh God, too many jokes. But yes, so we're gonna pop downstairs to the kitchen and I'm gonna show you how easy it is to make this lemon sugar scrub. It's got maybe 4 or 5 ingredients in it. That's it, and it's absolutely wonderful, and it is so good for your skin. And we're also gonna be mounting another one where I'm gonna be doing salt scrubs and things like that too, because I know some of us don't like to add added sugar into our bodies or into our diets, or things of that nature. We're conscious like that. So I'm definitely going to be mounting one about salt. So without further ado, let's pop downstairs and I will show you all of the ingredients that you will need to make the sugar scrub, and we're going to whip it up really quick, and then I'm going to put it on for you and then go pop in the shower. Alrighty, here we are. Here is our absolutely wonderful, absolutely wonderful sugar scrub. Just look at that. You can eat it. Actually pretty good. Tastes like coconut sugar and lemon. Really, honestly, but there it is. Ooh. Now this is actually, as I'm sure that you will notice, that is a little bit juicier than a lot of your sugar scrubs, but I can promise you that the granules are in there. And that's primarily because I used coconut sugar with this recipe as opposed to your regular granulated sugar. And I like coconut sugar. We're going to talk about this just here, right here for a second, for a hot sec. And I like coconut sugar only because it is way lower glycemic. So for those of us who are, having sugar, dietary thoughts and concerns, I can't think of the word of it right now, but that's okay. It's really good to be using coconut sugar for that reason. So if you're worried about putting it in and on or around your body, using coconut sugar is a great way to be able to get the exfoliant of the sugar without putting bleached sugar on your body, right? You could also use cane sugar. There are a lot of, anything that's unbleached, basically. Much like white flour has been bleached and it's had, things put back into it. It's been re-enriched and all the things, all the nasties. I really like to try and use, pure, unadulterated things that, are cold pressed and are organic and, have the least amount of processing possible for any time I use anything either in my body or on it. So let's go ahead and see how it does. This is always a weird feeling, huh, Phoenix? We're just gonna... Oh yeah. See, it's got a really nice light exfoliant to it, but I can definitely feel the honey in there, and I can definitely feel a little bit of that sugar that's been sitting in there. And you'll notice, particularly with this one, that the sugar might dissolve a little bit, but that's okay. You can either add more sugar back in, because of course we're going to be, rinsing this right back off of our face. We're not leaving it on there for all the sugar to get absorbed into our face. But you could put more sugar back in it or just leave it like it does, because I actually can feel that there's a little bit of grit to it. So very much like a baking soda kind of grit, as opposed to, your coarse kosher salt kind of grit. So, oh my God, this is gonna be fabulous, y'all. It's gonna be so fabulous. So this is all you do, and particularly once we get into those turmeric tutorials, which are fabulous. This is going to be a lifesaver if indeed you end up dyeing your skin, because the sugar is going to exfoliate, the honey hydrates, and the lemon bleaches. You will discover that women have been using lemon. Oh yeah, there's some exfoliant in there. That women have been using lemon to bleach their skin for one reason or another. And we shan't go into those reasons in particular, but women have been using lemon to bleach, cleanse, clean, sanitize, all of these things, clean wounds, all of this stuff. So, so lemon is incredibly good for you, incredibly healthy for you. And in the case of if you get anything on your skin, the combination of it with the sugar will help exfoliate and take that off of your skin. So this is our lemon sugar scrub with honey in it and all of those wonderful things, olive oil. So easy to make, right? So easy to put on. And by the time I'm done talking, it will be time to go and rinse this off, and my skin is going to look absolutely gorgeous and beautiful when I do. So thank you all for hanging out with me this week. It's so awesome to be bringing these beauty tutorials, DIYs to you. If you have any requests, please let me know. I'm loving making these things, and so this beauty thing might go on for a hot minute. So if you have any requests, please do let me know, because I love fulfilling them. I love giving you ladies and gents, ooh, who do you want to say hi? Hanging out in the darkness with his eyeballs. If there's anything that you want to see, I want to know about it so that I can bring it to you, because that's really what I love to do, is bringing to you what you want to see, what you're interested in, and what really drives you and sparks that creativity and that fun in you. So this has been Daniela of Redesign Your Life Forever. Thank you so much for hanging out with me this week, and I will see you next time. Ooh. Oh.